Hello dear students, class 7, chapter 2 science, nutrition in animal, part 3 video. In part 2 we have already covered small intestine. Now in this video we will cover large intestine, liver, pancreas and gallbladder. So we will start with large intestine. As you can see in the picture, large intestine having hepatic flexure, transverse colon, one second, okay, ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. These are the three parts major. After small intestine, with the help of cecum, the undigested food comes into the ascending colon, passes to transverse colon and thrown further goes to descending colon and from there comes to sigmoid colon and rectum. After rectum, the undigested food thrown out from the body or expelled from the body with the help of anus. Now we'll see in detail. Okay. The large intestine is the portion of the digestive system most responsible for absorption of water. Large intestine में majorly water का absorption होता है from the indigestible or undigestible residue of food, waste material से. The ileocecal valve of the ileum, which is present in the small intestine, passes undigested material into the large intestine at the cecum. Now you can see here cecum near the ascending colon, cecum. Okay. Materials passes through the ascending colon, transverse colon and descending, as well as sigmoid portion of the colon, and finally into the rectum, which we have seen just now. From the rectum, the waste material is expelled from the body. The undigested material, जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, जो वेस्ट पार्ट है, वो क्या होता है, रेक्टम में आता है और रेक्टम से then it comes to anus. Anus is the opening which throw out the undigested material. So this was the functioning of large intestine. You can see here large intestine. Okay, major function is the absorption of water. Now we'll see liver. Liver is major part here. As you can see here, esophagus, left lobe of liver, right lobe of liver, common hepatic duct. Duct means nully hepatic, related to liver. Gallbladder, green color, bulb like structure. Cystic duct, common duct. Small intestine is also there. Then there is one major additional organ, that is a pancreas. We have to see here liver, gallbladder and pancreas. These three we will see here. Okay, yeah, these three organs are clear here. Yeah, green color, yellow and reddish color our liver, triangular shape. Now the functions of the liver. The liver is classed as a gland and associated with many functions. बहुत सारे functions हैं liver के. Liver plays very important role. It is difficult to give a precise number as the organ is still explored, but it is thought that the liver carries out 500 distinct roles. ऐसा माना जाता है कि more than 500 roles liver play करता है हमारी body में. The major functions of the liver includes, first major function is the bile production. Bile helps the small intestine to break down and absorb fats, oil, ghee, etc., fats, cholesterol and some vitamins. Bile consists of bile salts, cholesterol, bilirubin, electrolyte and water. ओके आपको स्कूल टाइम में सिर्फ इतने याद रखना है कि लीवर प्रोड्यूसेस बाइल, ऑल बाइल प्रोडक्शन इज डन बाय लीवर, ठीक है. इन नेक्स्ट क्लासेस वी विल गो in deeper and deeper. Okay, liver also supports blood clot. Vitamin K, which is necessary for blood clot for the creation of certain coagulants. Coagulant रक्त के धब्बे, रक्त के थक्के जमाने वाले coagulant that stops bleeding, they are known as coagulant that helps clot the blood. रक्त को जमने में, रक्त को रोकने में सहायता करते हैं. Bile is essential for vitamin K absorption. Okay, now third, fat metabolization. Since bile breaks down fats and make them easier to digest. Fourth function, metabolizing carbohydrate. Metabolize करना, digest करना, break down करना. From complex carbohydrate to simple carbohydrate. Like simple carbohydrate, that is glucose. Carbohydrates are stored in the liver where they are broken down into glucose. Now last is the vitamin and mineral storage. The liver stores vitamins like A, D, E, K and B12. It keeps significant amount of these vitamins stored in the liver itself. Okay, so we have seen the function of liver and the picture of liver. Now we'll see pancreas, which are associated with liver only, yellowish color organ. The pancreas is a long flat gland in your belly. It sits behind the stomach and produces enzymes that are important for digestion. Secretes juices which are helpful in digestion. इंसुलिन एंड ग्लूकागॉन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंसुलिन, जो डायबिटीज़ पेशेंट होते हैं उनमें पेनक्रियास फंक्शन बराबर नहीं करते, इसलिए क्या होता है कि ग्लूकोज लेवल बढ़ जाता है. पेनक्रियास का मेजर रोल है इंसुलिन को प्रोड्यूस करना. इंसुलिन एंड ग्लूकागॉन विच हेल्प कंट्रोल द लेवल ऑफ ग्लूकोज, अ टाइप ऑफ शुगर इन द ब्लड, आर ऑल्सो मेड इन द पेनक्रियास. डायबिटिक पेशेंट में पेनक्रियास क्या करते हैं कि वो इंसुलिन को रिलीज़ नहीं कर पाते, जितना रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट होता है उतना. तो जब इंसुलिन नहीं होगा तो बॉडी में ग्लूकोज लेवल, शुगर लेवल बढ़ेगा, तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है डायबिटिक पेशेंट में. नाउ विल सी द लास्ट ऑर्गन, दैट इज गॉल ब्लैडर. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो. The gallbladder is a pear-shaped organ that is located below the liver. The gallbladder is part of human digestive system. It's a part of human digestive system. The gallbladder stores bile that is received from the liver and releases it into the small intestine. The bile stored and released by the gallbladder helps digest fat. So all these three organs, liver, pancreas and gallbladder, they are also helping in better absorption, better digestion. They are secreting juices which helps different food components like carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats, etc. Now with this video we will stop here. Since in this video we have seen liver, pancreas, gallbladder, etc. In our coming video we will see nutrition, mode of digestion in ruminant or cows, etc. Till then, thank you my dear students. God bless you. Thank you.